Hello everyone. So I'm going to explain the software engineering assignment presentation on explain the role of a Scrum Master in a AIML project management. Submitted by Sahana R. Chavan, submitted to Praveen Sir, Assistant Professor, Department of AIML, GM University. Introduction to Agile in a AIML. Agile enhance collaboration and iterative progress in a AIML projects. So it enhances the collaboration and iterative progress. Scrum provides structured prints and a review cycle for the better outcome. This is the introduction. Importance of a Scrum. Why we need the Scrum, or what is the importance of the Scrum Master? Scrum Master bridge the gap between development and a business team. It is a bridge between a developer and a business team. Ensures efficiency, communication, and adherence to agile practices. So it is very effective in a communication and agile practices. These are the importance. Key responsibilities. It has some responsibilities. It facilitates scrum ceremonies, stand-ups, retrospective, sprint reviews, remove impediments, and tracked sprint goals, coach the team on a agile principle and a mindset, facilitating Scrum events, daily stand up, track progress and a blocker, sprint planning, define scope and objectives, sprint review and a respective reflect and improve continuously. Collaboration with the data scientists and engineering. Encourage team to balance experiment with the deadlines, help agile ML model, machine learning model goal with the business value, support coordination between research and a production team. Managing iteration in a AIML. Machine learning model evolve through multiple data and training iterations. Scrum Master ensures incremental delivery aligns with the spirit cycles. Handling uncertainty and model changes. AI project have unpredictable outcome due to data variability. Scrum Master manage flexibility without losing directions. Tools and techniques which are used: Jira, Trello for sprint tracking, Miro, Slack for a collaboration, version control tool for a managing ML experiments. Challenges in a AI/ML Scrum management: difficulty in estimation time for experiment, integration research outcome into intangible delivers, deli- deliverables. Strategies to overcome the challenges: use smaller iteration with clear checkpoints, define metrics for a progress even in a research phase. Benefits of a Scrum in a AIML: better visualizability, transparency. It has a faster feedback cycle for a model implementation, improve collaboration across multidisciplinary teams. So this is the final conclusion. The Scrum Master ensures AIML project remaining agile, adaptive, and efficient. By balancing technical complexity with the agile discipline, they enable successful delivery. Thank you.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸಹ ನಾ ಆಯ್ತು ತಾಳು ಹಂಗೆ ಇರು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ
ಕಳಿಸ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಅದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ.